My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications and scary alerts that are coming from the site Finchi.click. So Finchi.click is a junk site that may attack your Google Chrome and possibly some other browsers. Finchi.click tries to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. It may also display some other frustrating messages that try to make you download some potentially unwanted software. Finchi.click pop-ups may be the result of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. Therefore, I recommend you not to trust these deceptive pop-ups. What you should do is carefully research the control panel, and of course you need to uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. To make sure that the system is free of other threats that could be possibly hidden, please consider researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.